Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create product variants on Shopify. This is one of the most important features for selling products that come in different versions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up different options like size, color, or material on a single product, so customers can choose what they want without you creating separate product pages, which keeps your store cleaner and easier to manage. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, select Login. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your Shopify admin automatically. If not, log in using your email and password or choose one of the available sign-in providers. Make sure you're accessing the correct store if you manage more than one. You want to be in the admin for the shop where you'll add variants, since variants are store-specific and can't be transferred later. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This brings you to your product list, where all of your items are stored. Choose the existing product you want to edit. Variants are attached to a single product, so pick the main product that should host all the choices your customers will see, like different sizes or colors of the same item, rather than creating duplicates. On the product details page, scroll down until you find the variant section. This is where Shopify organizes all the selectable options for that product and controls how customers interact with it on the product page. If you don't see any variants yet, that's normal. We're about to add them from scratch. Click to add options. Think of options as the category of choice a customer will make before adding an item to their cart. Common examples include size, color, or material, but you can also use options like style or pack size if that fits your product. You can use whatever label makes sense for your item, and Shopify supports up to 3 different options per product. Clear, consistent naming here will keep things tidy in your store, improve reporting accuracy, and make future edits easier. Next, add the option values. These are the specific choices within each option. For size, that might be small, medium, and large. For color, it could be red, blue, and black. Keep the names concise and standardized so they look professional and are easy to filter in search and collections. If you're using color names, stick to words rather than symbols or extra characters. For sizes, decide whether you prefer letters like S, M, L, or full words, and be consistent across your catalog to avoid customer confusion. When your options and values look good, click Save. Shopify will automatically generate variant combinations based on the values you entered, creating every possible mix of those options. After saving, you'll see a list of variants beneath the product, each one representing a unique combination that you can manage individually. From here, you'll be able to view details like price, SKU, and inventory for each variant, all organized under the same product. This allows you to set different prices, track stock accurately, and connect variants to fulfillment and analytics, which helps with both customer experience and store management. And that wraps it up. If this video helped you understand product variants a little better, give it a like so more store owners can find it. If you have any questions or want to see a specific Shopify tutorial next, drop a comment below and let me know. For more clear step-by-step Shopify tips like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!